So as you can see bitwise operator here. So bitwise operator can work on two operand, only two numbers, that is 0 and 1 bits, binary digits. As here you can see what bitwise operator we have. We have bitwise AND. For bitwise AND, the symbol is ampersand. Which symbol? Ampersand. This symbol is called ampersand. 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 For bitwise OR, what we have? We have the OR symbol. OR symbol, it is just a straight line. It is given in your keyboard. Okay, it is given in the keyboard uh, on slash symbol, just on top of enter key. In my laptop, it is just on top of enter key. With the slash symbol, it is given a straight line. Okay. Then we have bitwise XOR. XOR means exclusive OR. It is just like a cap symbol. Cap symbol. Okay. Then we have bitwise complement. Bitwise complement, you can say it is just a negation. Negation means whatever the result is there, if you apply bitwise complement, the result will be opposite, like the not operator. So let us use this one by one. Like here given bitwise AND. What is the use of bitwise AND? If we have operand 1 and operand 2, and we are just using the AND operator for them. So what will it do? The AND operator compares two bits, that is operand 1 and operand 2, and then generates a result of 1 if both bits are 1. Means if the both binary digits are 1, then AND operator will produce 1. Otherwise it will return 0. Then OR operator, the OR operator compares two bits, that is two binary digits, and generates a result of 1 if bits are complementary. Complementary means if any one operand is 1. There are two operands, operand 1 and operand 2, and either the operand number 1 or the operand number 2 is 1, then the result will be produced as 1. Otherwise 0. Exclusive OR. What is the use of XOR? Exclusive OR. This operator compares two bits, that is operand 1 and operand 2, and then returns the result as 1 if either of the bits are 1, and it gives 0 if both the bits are 0 or 1. Means if 1 and 1 is there, then 0 will be provided. If 0 and 0 is there, then also 0 will be provided. Either bits, either means either operand 1 or operand 2 is 1, then the result will be 1. I just use after explaining, then you can understand. Then complement operator. Complement is just negative. Negative means if your operand is 1, then the result will be 0. If your operand is 0, then the result will be 1. So let us use this one by one. As here you can see, like if you want to find the binary, you can write as in the Python command prompt, you can write bin, then write the binary of any number, whatever number you want. So it will tell the binary digit. Then you can compare the digits or numbers. Okay, like here given, like the binary of 13 is 1101, and the binary of 12 is 1100. Now if you compare 13 and 12, you will get the result as 12. Why did you get the result as 12? Can you think? Kindly think about it. Why did you get the result as 12? We have used the AND operator. Now what does AND operator do? It will compare each digit of binary. 1 and 1 it compares, then got 1. 1 and 1 compared, got 1. As it gets 0, then the second result will be provided. Second means 12. First means 13. You can see here. First number is 13 and second number is 12. So the numbers digits are compared one by one. 1 and 1, okay. 1 and 1, okay. 0 and 0 also okay. Now 1 and 0. Here the condition is 0. So that's why the result came as 12. Okay. If all the condition matches, all the numbers matches, then you get the result as 1. 1 means the first number. So let me just tell you the example in Python. Okay. Here I have Python screen. You can see. Let us write the binary. Let us find the binary. Binary of any number. Suppose you want to find the binary of 5. Press enter key. You can see the binary of 5 is 101. Are you all able to listen to me? Kindly reply.
Yes, sir.
Can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you
Yes,
see the
sir.
binary of 5?
Yes, sir.
What is the binary of 5? Kindly reply me.
Sir, 0 be 101.
Binary of 5 is 101. Now what we want? We want the binary of again 5. Okay, for comparison I am telling. Now what is that? 101. Now let me write 5, then bitwise operator. 5 and I have used bitwise operator. 5 and 5. Now press the enter key. What result you will get? 5. You got the result 5. Now kindly think about it. How you got the result 5? Because and bitwise and operator compares each digit, each binary digits, and if all the binary digits are same, then the first operand is given as the result. That is 1 is given as the result. And if any of the binary digits gave the answer 0 or false, then the second operand is returned. Now let me compare the binary of 6. Okay, binary of 6. What is the binary of 6? 110. Now if you write 5 and 6, 5 and 6, so what result you will get? You will get 4. How did you got 4? How did you get 4? Kindly let me tell. What we have given? We have given 1 1. So 1 1 you got. Then there is 0 and 1. 0 and 1 came false. False means 0. Kindly remember, 1 1 came first 1. 1 1 came as 1. Then 0 and 1 came 0. Let me open calculator, okay? Then I explain. Kindly see the calculator also. What is there? 1 1, 1 1 came as 1. Okay? 1 1 came as 1. Then 0 and 1 came as 0. Then 1 and 0 came as 0. So what is the digit you got? 100. The binary digits we got, that is 100. So if you find out the decimal number of 100, it is equal to 4. 100 is equal to 4. Okay, 100 is equal to 4. Is it clear to all of you? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Sir, explain one more time.
One more time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me explain on whiteboard. Okay, all of you see on the whiteboard. So I am going to open whiteboard, then I will explain. Okay, all of you can see now whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the whiteboard? So let
Yes,
me
sir.
Yes, sir.
yes. Here is 5. Okay. The binary of 5 is 1, 0, 1. Is it clear? The binary of 5 is 1, 0, 1. Then here is 6. The binary of 6 is 1, 1, 0. The binary of 6 is 1, 1, 0. Clear? So what is the use of AND operator? If you write 5 and 6. If you write 5 and 6, so what is the use of AND operator? Bitwise AND. It compares each digit, every digit of the numbers, and then provides the result 1 if both are 1. And if any one of them is 0, then the result will be 0. Remember this. If any one of the digit is 0, then the result is 0. So let us take 1 and 1. What will be the result? 1 and 1 came 1 because both are 1. The use of AND operator is to provide 1 only when both are 1. So 1 and 1 came 1. Now 0 and 1. 0 and 1 I told if any of the digit is 0, then the result will be 0. So 0 and 1 came 0. 0 and 1 came 0. Now the next one, 1 and 0. This also comes 0. Because any one of the digit is 0, then the result is 0. So 1 and 0 also came 0. So what result you got? 1, 0, 0. We got the result as 1, 0, 0. Now if you find the decimal of this binary 1, 0, 0, so it will be 4. How we can take it? This is 0. If you compare like this, 0 into 2 power 0, 0 into 2 power 0. So it came as 0 into 1, 0 into 1, because any value if has the power 0, then the result comes as 1. So 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Now if you compare this one, 0 into 2 power 1, 0 into 2 power 1. Now if you find out the 2 power 1, then it comes 2. 0 into 2. The value of 2 power 1 is 2. So 0 into 2 came as 0. Now 1. 1 is there. So if you find out the value of 1, so it will be 1 into 2 power 2. 1 into 2 power 2. 1 into 2 power 2 equal to 1 into 2 power 2 if you find, then 2 power 2 comes as 4. Okay, so 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 1 into 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Now if you add all the digits, 0 plus 0 plus 4. So what came? If you add all the digits, the result came as 4. Did you get it? Have you all understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you not understood, then tomorrow I will explain on the whiteboard. Tomorrow I will use the whiteboard and I will tell by the marker, okay, by pen and marker, whatever is there. So on the whiteboard I will explain what I have behind me. Is it clear? Right now I have explained on the computer, but tomorrow I'll explain once more about this topic. Then I think you will be understanding clearly. So this is the result of 5 and 6. Now let me share the Python screen. Okay, now can you see the Python screen? Can you all see the Python screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to type another number. So kindly tell me the output. Here I am typing, suppose binary of 3. What is the binary of 3? 1, 1. Binary of 3 is 1, 1. Then binary of 2. Binary of 2. It will be 1, 0. Okay. Binary of 2 is 1, 0. Now, if you write 3 and 2. 3 and 2. So what result you will get? Can you tell me?
Sir, 2.
Sir, 2.
We got 2. How? If you compare 1 and 1, then you got 1. Now if you compare 1 and 0, then you got 0. So the result came 1, 0. And if you find the binary of 1, 0, then it will be 2. The binary of 1, 0 is 2. That's why you got the result as 2. Now next number. Suppose if we have a 4, binary of 4. Binary of 4. That is 1, 0, 0. Then we have binary of 5. Okay. This is 1, 0, 1. Now if you compare 4 and 5, what result you will get? If you
4.
compare 4 and 5,
4.
so what result you will get?
4.
We will get 4. Because 1 and 1 will come as 1, 0 and 0, 0, and 0 and 1, 0. Okay. So I think you have understood this clearly. Any problem? So now let me proceed. Tomorrow I'll explain this again about how to convert the binary numbers into decimal number. All these tomorrow I'll explain on the whiteboard. Let me proceed now. The inclusive OR operator. Next is OR operator. So what is the use of OR operator? It will compare two binary digits if both of its operands are number, and it will perform the inclusive OR operation. Inclusive OR operation, which means if either of the two bits is 1, either of the two bits means operand 1 and operand 2, as you can see here in the chart. If there is 0 and 1, then the result is 1. If there is 1 and 0, then the result is 1. If 1 and 1, then also result is 1. There is a minor difference. There is a minor difference between OR and XOR. Minor difference. Okay, otherwise both are same. Minor difference. What is the difference? That in OR operator, we have 0 and 1 as 1, 1 and 0 as 1, 1 and 1 also as 1. But in XOR, this one we don't have. 1 and 1 is not 1. In XOR, or you can say exclusive OR, we have 1 and 1 as 0. You can see here 1 and 1 as 0. So this only is the difference, minor difference, very minor difference. So let us now use this OR operator. Okay. See the Python. Can you all see the Python screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us use OR operator. Let me type the binary of 7. Okay. It is 111, 111. Then binary of 6. It is 110. Now let me use the OR operator. Let us write 7 or 6. 7 or 6. So what result we will get? OR operator takes 1 if either of the bits is 1. If like 1 1 will be produced as 1. 1 1 will be produced as 1. 1 0 also will be produced as 1. So you will get the result as 7. Did you get the result as 7? How? If you compare 1 and 1, then you got 1. Then again 1 and 1, 1. 1 and 0, also 1. Okay. Let me compare 4 and 7. Okay, binary of 4. Binary of 4 is 100. Now if you compare 4 or 7, so what will you get? 7 is 111
7.
and 4 is 100. So 1 and 1 is 1. Then 1 and 0 is 1. Then again 1 and 0 is 1. Then it means again you will get the result as 7. Look here, 7. Then again if we compare suppose 4 or 6. Let us compare 4 or 6. Now compare 4 or 6. What is the binary of 6? 110. And binary of 4, 100. So in 6 and 4, 1 and 1 is 1. 1 and 0 is 1. 0 and 0 is 0. So what did you get? 110. And the 110 is the binary of 110 is the binary of 6.
6.
So you get the result as 6. Have you seen? The result is 6. Now let me use exclusive OR. If we type 4 cap, cap is known as exclusive OR. Then 6. Now the result will be different. In exclusive OR, if there is 1 1, then you get as 0. Okay. Like 1 1 is there, then 0 result will come. Then 1 0 as 1 and 0 0 as 1. Sorry, 0. So now the result will be 1 0. That is 2. All of you can see 2. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Kindly reply me. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem to anyone? Any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Then tomorrow I will explain complement operator and other operators. Okay.
Sir, tomorrow again you
Yeah.
will bit mice operator on Blackboard.
Kindly speak again.
Sir, tomorrow again you will repeat the bitwise operator on whiteboard.
Yeah. On the